Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to measure and calculate distance between locations in Google Maps. So if you want to measure distance between multiple locations on Google Maps, this is how you can do it. I'll show you how to do this on mobile, then I'll show you how you can do this on PC. On your mobile, you want to open Google Maps. The first method, I'm going to show you how to measure distance from one point to another. So let's say we wanted to measure the distance from this point to this point. Now to get the measurement, tap on the location point and your location pin will be dropped on that location. Now on the bottom slider, tap to expand and you see measure distance. Tap on measure distance. Now you can freely measure distance from one point to another. This could be your current position to any position or measure a distance from one point to another. Now to calculate the distance, all you need to do is drag and hold down till you measure to that particular point. This will give you the measurement on the Earth surface. So from here you can add any extra point on your map. All you need to do to add a point is tap on the plus icon in this section and then you can drag from that location to any other point on your map. This will give you the overall distance. Now if you make any mistake, you can easily undo any changes you make by simply tapping on the undo button at the top of the screen, and then you can readjust back to any position you want the measurement to be taken to. The second way you can make measurement or calculate distance between two locations in Google Map is to start by using a search. So let's say you wanted to drive from one state to another, or you wanted to know how long it would take you to travel from one point to another. All you need to do is perform a simple search by using the search section. So let's say I wanted to travel from Abuja, Nigeria to Lagos, Nigeria. This is quite easy to do. Now search for Abuja and tap on get directions. Now you want to swap. Since you're starting from Abuja, tap on this to swap and then you want to choose your destination. So here you want to enter Lagos. Select Lagos. Now under this you get the total distance it will take you to travel from one point to another, and this is based on traveling by foot. So you can also choose other options such as drive, and it will recalculate the distance and how long it will take you to travel. So that's how to measure distance on mobile. On PC, open the location area and then right click on the position. Here you're going to see measure distance. Click on measure distance and now you can drag to the end point where you want the measurement to be calculated to. Now click on the end point and a straight line arrow will be drawn to that point. Here you'll be able to see the total distance. Now if you want to add multiple positions, all you need to do is click on another position, and each time you click, the location distance will be recalculated. The second method, you can simply just search for an area on your maps, and once you're on that location area, click on get directions and then swap this. Here you're going to enter the destination. So let's say we wanted to go to Lagos, Nigeria again, and click on Lagos. This will measure the total distance. So thank you for watching this video on how to measure and calculate distance between two locations in Google Maps, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.